Fossil fuels, such as oil, gas, and coal, are still heating up our climate. Using them to excess is responsible for the alarming rate of climate change and the energy crisis. We are running out of time. We can only slow down global warming if we put a stop to using fossil fuels as quickly and consistently as possible. That is why switching to renewable energies is the single most important step to alleviating the climate crisis. Today, solar, wind, and hydropower are the first things that spring to mind. These need electricity storage systems and grids to be expanded, especially when a lot of electricity is used for heating and electric cars. Particularly when the sun is not shining, there is little water in the rivers, and there is no wind, we need a form of energy that provides reliable energy and at the same time reduces electricity storage costs. Bioenergy. Bioenergy accounts for more than half of renewable energy and comes from sustainably managed forests, agriculture, and waste materials from wood and food production.
Renewable energy capacities need to be expanded quickly because things are changing rapidly as fossil fuels are phased out. This means that we all face major challenges because at the moment, our energy system is still based on fossil fuels. In many sectors, bioenergy is a very efficient and cost-effective form of energy for providing heat compared to storing volatile energy in batteries, gas, pumped or heat storage systems, which are expensive, especially over several days, weeks, or months. At the same time, energy is lost each time it is converted. Industry also often requires large amounts of energy around the clock, which is difficult to cover entirely with volatile, weather-dependent, or seasonal energy.
On the other hand, we have enough biomass because forest management, forest fire prevention, food production, and timber construction generate large volumes of biomass that can be used as bioenergy. This ensures a stable energy supply and supports regional value creation, agriculture and forestry, as well as processors and manufacturers. Plants store solar energy while they grow from spring to autumn. We can make use of them when we urgently need them. This is because wood pellets, wood chips, and other forms of biomass are always available, especially for heat generation. Wood heating systems can provide high levels of energy at short notice without overloading the electricity grid. This is an advantage for heating households because they no longer depend on expensive, environmentally harmful fossil fuels. In addition to wood-burning stoves and tiled stoves, pellet-fired stoves are also a cost-effective option for heating living space using renewable energy. Biomass central heating systems, such as log-fired boilers and pellet heating systems, are a very good and convenient alternative to gas or oil heating systems. Connecting to a district heating network is also a good option. Wood chips are often used for these networks because they are a particularly cost-effective and regional fuel. Larger district heating systems can be combined with electricity generation. This is how heat production not only reduces electricity consumption for heating, but also generates electricity when it is scarce if it is not sunny, there is little wind, and river water levels are running low.
Using energy efficiently and saving energy will continue to be crucial to energy transformation because we will not succeed with renewable sources alone. Numerous studies and scenarios show that phasing out oil, gas, and coal completely can be achieved by expanding the use of biomass, wind power, photovoltaics, hydropower, heat pumps, and other renewable energy sources. This makes bioenergy a key pillar in the fight to avert the climate crisis. The latest report from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change shows that the 1.5-degree target can no longer be met without bioenergy together with carbon capture and storage.
Capturing carbon from combustion gases means that large quantities of carbon can be captured before it enters the atmosphere and stored underground for thousands of years at sites previously depleted of carbon in order to stabilize the climate. Renewable gases and fuels generated from biomass offer solutions for industries that are difficult to electrify, such as manufacturing, aviation, and heavy commercial machinery. The very latest biomass technologies are becoming increasingly efficient and clean, and developments in building insulation and making industries more efficient are also significantly reducing energy consumption. With a sustainable, future-safe energy policy, we will need fewer resources to meet our needs and can completely replace oil, gas, and coal, which are harmful to the environment, with renewable energy.